Hello, it's Cam here at Swansway Chester, showing you today this approved used Peugeot 408 GT Fastback finished in blue. This 2025 model comes with a 1.2 litre petrol hybrid engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The front LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night. And this car stands on 19-inch graphite diamond cut onyx black alloy wheels. This 408 features around 530 litres of usable boot space capacity, allowing room for larger luggage items or even a pram or set of golf clubs. Making our way now into the back, that we can find the Fraxx knit tri-material Alcantara with Isabella leather effect trim with the black and Adamite green top stitching. The seats have ISOFIX points as well as a fold-down armrest which houses two cup holders, and the rear passengers can also utilise their own climate control vent with two USB ports as well as a storage tray. Now making our way up front, we can see the continuation of the black interior seen in the back, as well as the same seats, this time with the Peugeot embossed logo and additional side support for extra comfort on those longer journeys. Here's a look now at the multifunctional two-spoke leather-wrapped flat top and bottom steering wheel, which has controls on the left for the cruise control system and on the right for the hands-free telephone, as well as voice control and volume options. The virtual cockpit displays different settings based on driver preference, and we can also pull up the drive mode selector for features Sport, Normal and Eco. Taking a look now at the main touchscreen infotainment system, we can see it includes connection to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as standard Bluetooth connectivity and radio with FM and DAB. We can also access satellite navigation for those unfamiliar roads, and we can access the climate control system here as well with a heated steering wheel option. Located below the climate control shortcut buttons, there's a storage area, and when putting this car into reverse, we can bring up the rear view parking camera to get into those tighter spaces. To the left of the centre console, there is another storage area with a USB-C port and a 12-volt socket, followed by two cup holders which can be covered up if needed. Finally, the armrest can be opened up to reveal a deep storage pocket inside with another USB port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Peugeot 408 GT Fastback. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.